Powerful ingredients that clean up your body from parasites and reduces fat deposition. We all know that parasites are the harmful microorganisms that life of the host organism. They use the host organism's nutrients, and with this process, they damage the host organism. They can take on a number of different forms and can thrive throughout the body. The parasites most often live within the human intestines. Parasites feed on sugar and everything else that turns into sugar. So, if you have sugar cravings, then you probably have parasites living in your intestines. You need to stop eating too much sugar and sugary stuff. Because, when you eat a lot of sugar, then you are creating conditions that accumulate excess mucus in your body, and this excess mucus is perfect space for fungus and body bacteria to reproduce and multiply. So, now when we know their weak spot, sugar and sugary stuff, let's see what's the best and the most effective way to remove this harmful parasites out of the organism. The best natural way to destroy these harmful parasites is by using some healthy and effective cleansing methods. You need to avoid sugar and grains as much as you can if you want to get the best results. And when you cleanse your body from all these harmful parasites, you will be refreshed and full of energy. Here's what ingredients you need in order to make these homemade parasite cleansing recipe. Ingredients: 100 grams of linseed, 10 grams of dried cloves. Directions: all you have to do is grind these ingredients into some kind of grinder, until you get a powder form. How to use it: you need to take 2 tablespoons of this powder every morning for 3 days. You can mix the powder in warm filtered milk, or you can add it to your breakfast cereals. Just after 3 days, you need to take a 3-day break and start all over again. You need to repeat this method for 1 month. If you wish to keep the harmful parasites away, you should repeat this cleansing process few times a year. If you enjoyed this post, make sure you share it with your friends and family. Thank you.
Just one powerful spice can solve your problems with insomnia, anemia, diabetes, intestinal parasites, and much more. Cumin. It's extremely powerful spice that originates from India, and it has excellent healing properties. This is why this powerful spice is often used in Ayurveda healing methods. Many people around the world use this powerful spice. They just add it in their favorite meals. In this article we are going to show you some good reasons why you should start using cumin every day. Anemia. First, you should know that cumin spice is loaded with iron. This is why its regular consumption will help you fight and prevent anemia and solve all other problems caused by lack of iron. The medical experts highly recommend this spice in the case of pregnancy because it can provide the necessary amount of iron in the blood and body during pregnancy. This is a good reason why you should add cumin into your healthy diet. Acidity. If you want to get rid of heartburn, then you should take a pinch of cumin spice and hold it in the mouth for a short time. Then you need to swallow it. Or you can combine cumin coriander in powder and sugar in equal amounts. You need to consume 2 teaspoons of this powder every morning with a glass of water and you will get rid of the heartburn. Diabetes. You should know that cumin is extremely useful and beneficial in the case of diabetes. Here's what you need to just add the cumin spice in a glass of water and consume this 2 times a day. Detoxification of the liver. The medical experts claim that if you consume cumin every day, it will detoxify the liver and your entire body from all harmful toxins. This is a good way to improve your health. Constipation. Cumin will solve the constipation problem, because it will improve your bowel movement. Here's how to use it: just mix cumin, black pepper, ginger, and curry powder in equal amounts. Then you need to add a bit of butter, a pinch of salt, and use this mixture when you cook your rice. Cough and cold. You should also know that this powerful spice has antiseptic properties as well. Well, this means that cumin is able to eliminate phlegm from the chest and prevent cough and cold. Here's what you need to do: just add some cumin seeds into water and bring it to boil. Leave it for 3 minutes, and when it's cool enough you should drink it. Stomach ache. This powerful spice can help you if you have stomach aches or stomach problems. Here's what you need to do: just mix 3 grams of cumin powder in a glass of lukewarm water and consume it 2 times every day. Indigestion. Cumin also successfully treats indigestion. You should mix it with sea salt, pepper, ginger powder in equal amounts. Here's what you need to do: first you need to grind the spices into a fine powder. Then add 1 tablespoon of this mixture into a glass of water and consume it after a meal. Diarrhea. You can use this super healthy spice to treat diarrhea. Here's what you need to do: just add 5 grams of ground cumin and mix well. Vomiting. if you want to use this powerful spice to treat chronic vomiting, then you should regularly take 1 tablespoon of cumin powder mixed with honey. Make sure you take this mixture after your meals. Insomnia. You should also know that cumin can help you with sleeping problems as well. So every day after dinner you should consume the following mixture. Just combine 1/2 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder with a mashed banana. Intestinal parasites. If you want to get rid of intestinal parasites, then you should drink 20 to 40 ml of the following drink every day. Here's what you need to do. Just add 15 grams in 400 ml of water and boil until 100 ml of liquid. As you can see, this powerful spice can help you with many health problems. This is why you should use it every day. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.